Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw cable overheating signs and next steps, complete guide step by step clearly. Identify the signs of cable overheating. Look for discoloration or melting around the cable. Check for unusual smells, such as burning plastic or rubber. Feel the cable for excessive heat when in use. Monitor for frequent tripping of circuit breakers or blown fuses. Inspect connectors for corrosion or damage. Once you identify signs of overheating, immediately stop using the cable. Unplug the device connected to the affected cable. Ensure the area is safe and free of potential fire hazards. Assess the cable's routing for any sharp bends or pinch points. Remove any sources of heat, such as nearby appliances or heat sources. Examine the cable for visible damage or wear and tear. If damage is present, the cable should be replaced without delay. If the cable appears intact, consider whether it is rated for its current usage. Check if the cable is too long for the distance between devices. Evaluate the load being placed on the cable, ensure it is appropriate. If the cable is rated correctly, ensure it is connected securely. Investigate the power source for potential electrical issues. Consider consulting a professional electrician for a thorough assessment. Document any observations you've made about the overheating signs. Prepare to replace the cable if necessary. Consider upgrading to a higher rated cable if the current one is inadequate. After replacing the cable, monitor the new installation for any signs of overheating. Regularly inspect cords and cables as part of maintenance. Educate others on the importance of cable safety. Always have a fire extinguisher readily accessible in high-risk areas. Understand the warranty terms for your cables and devices. Keep emergency contact numbers handy for electrical emergencies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.